Okay, let's see if we got the sound issues fixed up now. Work, work, work. On this game is never finished. Hey, Frenchie. I am trying to get the audio to work. I've just done a horde earlier, but I didn't have audio. My first video I felt looked like the quality looked like crap. So now I'm just trying to see if I can get the sound working, if that makes any sense. So he was talking personal stuff, and I'm not going to. I don't want to be in the room while he's talking personal. So I'm just taking running around, killing things, and so have you got your stuff set up to run or no? Well, you were talking about doing the IT stuff, so informational communication or something like that. I do not put myself on camera. You just stream the game itself. That's all I'm going to do. If those ugly mugs want to go on camera, let them.